For Marketing Food Online, I am going to show you an example, an experiment I did with Pinterest with 20-second videos. And I'm going to show you how I accumulated 30,000 views over 3 months and how that can work for your food product online right now. As I mentioned in the introduction, I'm actually really excited about this to give you the results of an experiment I actually did starting about 3 months ago. I went to our Pinterest account, which we average about between 100 to 120,000 viewers a month. I went ahead and started uploading these really short 20, 24, 25-second videos about Marketing Food Online and a few other of our other products. And I wanted to see the results of how much exposure does that really give our brand. And right here, you can take a look at that snapshot. That is the count. We uploaded 79, and I know that may sound like a lot, but it's really not. 79 20-second or so videos that gave us 30,000 views in just 3 months. 3 months. Not 4, but 3. 3 months. And I'm going to show you how that works. I'm going to give you some ideas on the board behind me, how we actually take those same videos and I put them out on Facebook, on our website, on our blog, and even on LinkedIn. I actually have a few videos coming up you need to definitely catch that I'm going to show you how to use, of course, Facebook, really short videos on Facebook, and you can actually include them, embed them on your website, and even on LinkedIn. And believe it or not, LinkedIn, I've got a video I'm really excited to explain to you how LinkedIn has increased Marketing Food Online's exposure in dramatic ways, and I'm going to show you how we did that. Why would I want to tell you? Because you are selling a food product. If you're selling it online and you've got some online business with your food product, these are great ways to get exposure and add additional content to help people find your product and obviously buy it. That's the whole purpose. So how does this work? Now, the videos that you see here, including the one that I'm making right now, are actually made on my Samsung phone. Yes, every video that I posted, the 600 plus videos, are actually videos that I do on my phone. I do not have an elaborate photography system in our video room, which is actually over there. But yes, in our video studio that we have, every video that I've made, including the one for our kids channel, we have over 1,300 videos on our kids channel, which brought in about 13 million views so far. They are all done on my phone. There is an app that I use. It allows me to create these videos and edit them. You can add music, you can add voiceover, etc., etc. Now, why am I telling you all of this about my phone? Because the phone that you have, I'm going to add a link down in the description for the app that I actually use here on my phone. It allows me to create a video and edit it in about 5 to 7 minutes. Literally. That's why I've been able to put out so much content, is because of just that. I can create the 79 videos on my Pinterest that are 20 seconds a piece. I created on my phone. Now, if you don't have video content of your food products and you're trying to sell something healthy, there are websites that you can actually get free photographs, you can get free videos that you can download and use them royalty-free without any problems, and you can create these videos yourself, okay? Out of all of the videos that we do, I try to upload videos every day. Not necessarily on this channel, but some of our promotional videos that we do almost every day, 2 to 3 of them a day. I bring them to and upload them onto my YouTube channel. I have them hidden, but then I download them and I'm able to actually send them out everywhere. Okay, so Pinterest, 20-second videos. Can you upload a video longer than 20 seconds? Yes, you actually can. But the attention span of most people who scroll up and down on Pinterest is not going to sit on their phone for 5 or 6 minutes watching a video. 20 seconds. Well, Damien, can you really get much information? Yes, I'm actually going to show you a video right now. That video that you're watching has a brief bit of information, and I'm actually going to be quiet. I'll let you listen to the actual video itself.
Why not start a private label hot sauce business? Have you ever wanted to start a hot sauce business and start selling online, maybe through Amazon? Get your business up and running with your own website, or sell your hot sauce to retailers nationwide. But you're not sure where I can get started or even find a private label company to make it for you.
Okay.
Check out Marketing Food Online.
That is a sampling of the type of promo videos that we actually make for Marketing Food Online. You can make these for anything. If you are in the business to do energy bars, you can create the same type of one as well. You can use your own photos and simply do a slideshow of photos with a voiceover and some really basic music in the background as well. All the music that we use is from YouTube, and we get it free as well. So, once you've created these 20-second videos, what can I do with them, Damien? Well, if you have a Facebook page dedicated to your food product, that is the type of content that people will look at, and it will play automatically if you have the settings on there correctly. So every time somebody goes and scrolls up, they will automatically see your video for your product. And you can put on their calls to action, like, hey, check out our website, check out the link down below, or check out, hey, we got a 15% coupon off our Amazon store where you can find our products. But these 20-second videos are extremely powerful. They can definitely go out into Never Never Land all over social media, and they are there forever, allowing people to see your product or even your service. And once they're up, they're done. Now, LinkedIn. I put a lot of promotional videos on LinkedIn. Actually, I put a lot of content, period, on LinkedIn. But I did it specifically for Marketing Food Online. I wanted to gain some additional exposure to a lot of other food business professionals and a lot of the service providers and products. So I created a LinkedIn page. I began to post these simple 20-second videos, and we get a ton of engagement, a lot of interaction with them, a lot of thumbs up, a lot of comments, and even people who come over and subscribe to our channel here. But the great thing is 20-second videos, very simple to make. They don't take a lot of your time up, but they are very powerful to bring people over to wherever it is that you need them to go to. So let's say, for instance, you had a store on eBay and you sold a product. And it doesn't really matter what it is. It could be razor blades, okay? But you have some wonderful images of this product. You don't have to have a video. You can create a video from simple photos or images of the product and then include a price point. You can include a call to action, like click on the link and get your discount, whatever it may be. You can actually get them on your website. You can put it anywhere you want, and you don't have to have an actual video of something happening because you could do it right with the app itself. So the app, like I said before, will be down below in the description. Click on that and get yourself a copy. The app that I use here is actually $3 a month. It's $9.99 every 3 months. Well worth having. And yes, I pay for it every quarter, $10, which is, it reaps me way more money than $10 every 3 months. So back to the website and blog. So you have a website and you've got a food product up and you've got it for sale. And you also have some content on your website, which is great. Maybe it's something healthy and nutritious, so you talk about how the health benefits of the food product, and you add your 20-second video. That video is fantastic because it's also very engaging. Most content today is actually being more engaged when it is a video compared to photo stills or photos or images. Those are going more or less to the wayside, and more content creators and marketers are not using photos. They're using these types of videos. Video is more engaging. You can convey a lot of information, even if it's not 20 seconds, if it's 2 or 3 minutes. You can relay tons of information about how healthy your product is, how to buy it, where to get it, what grocery stores are you in. Any bit of information, you can relay that in just a couple of minutes with video, and you can do it right on your phone. It's not rocket science. If you actually are watching this, I would bet any of you that you have the capacity to put together videos that are 20 seconds long. Once you get a hang of how the app works, you can begin to build content, and you don't have to pay an agency thousands of dollars to do it for you. You can just do it yourself. So, where else do I use these 20-second videos? Now, I do put them on Pinterest, Facebook, website, and blog. The one thing that's really other beneficial, by the way, about Pinterest is once you actually create a pin with a video, there is a external link destination on the bottom. That means that you can copy and paste a URL. So let's say you created a 20-second video to explain the benefit of eating your protein bar, right? That 20-second video can have a link directly to your Amazon store, right? Directly to the listings on your Etsy store. If you have an Etsy store, you could do this with it as well. But 30,000 views of our videos in 3 months, and it cost me nothing, by the way. The only thing it cost me was my time to make the video and then upload it, which is not much. The amount of money that it cost to make was flat out zilch, nada. And the amount of money it generates, well, it's in the thousands and thousands based upon the information that we got and then the things that we sold. You could sell digital products, you can sell books, you can sell anything under the sun. But more specifically, since our channel is about food, you can do that for your food product. Now, let's say you have a food truck. You want to try to figure out a really creative marketing way on the food truck. Pinterest has 300 million plus viewers a month. And I'm sure quite a few of those people enjoy food truck food. You could put food truck information up about your food truck and gain more exposure about the food truck that you've got or any other products that you may be selling, including if you've got a spice blend that you're trying to sell through your food truck, you can do that as well. Restaurants can use this as well. Anybody selling anything anywhere can use these basic videos to get great amount of exposure. So if this gives you a great idea and it was very helpful as always, please do give me a big thumbs up. If you have questions on how to create these or what exactly it entails as far as getting the app up and running, please let me know and I will answer it as soon as I possibly can. I'll see you guys on the next video and thank you for watching.